The niche I'm about to show you is literally printing money and views. Take a look at this channel. It has over 300,000 subscribers, and that's with just 15 videos. Crazy, right? Several of those videos have crossed 1 million views. Now look at this other channel in the same niche. It has around 130,000 subscribers with only 43 videos, and the videos are still pulling in millions of views. This clearly shows that the niche is working and the competition is still very low. The best part? You can start in this niche with absolutely $0, no matter where you live or how much experience you have. I'm also going to upload videos for the next 30 days as part of a challenge, and I'll show everything step by step. If you're serious, drop a comment below. I'll cover channel setup, video editing, thumbnail design, and some secret tips most people don't talk about. Pay close attention to this part. Most people struggle with the zero view problem because they skip this step. You should always use an old YouTube channel. If you don't have one, create a new Gmail account, but do not start uploading on the same day. First, use YouTube like a normal user. When you create a brand new channel and immediately start uploading, the algorithm may treat the account as suspicious or bot-like. But when you like videos, leave comments, and subscribe to channels, YouTube begins to recognize you as a real user. Do this for at least 1 to 2 weeks before uploading your first video. Most people ignore this step. They put so much hard work in making videos, thumbnails, and do SEO, but when their videos get 0 views, they get discouraged and quit YouTube altogether. Now, this part is very important if you want your channel to stand out. You need 3 things: a channel name, a logo, and a banner. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Simply ask it to suggest YouTube channel names related to your niche, then pick the one that sounds best to you. For the channel description, just ask ChatGPT to generate a description for your channel. That's it, quick and simple. For the YouTube logo and thumbnails, you could design them in different places, but I personally use Canva. Don't worry, we'll use the free version of Canva, so no money needed. If you're starting to feel bored, let me show you something interesting. Take a look at this channel's earnings on Social Blade. This is what's possible. And yes, you can do this too. Now, the next step is choosing a color theme for your channel. Look at this channel. It looks very professional. You'll notice that almost every successful channel uses the same color theme everywhere: thumbnails, banner, and branding. Choose the colors you like and stick with them consistently. I'll be using a red and white color combination for my channel. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest color combinations if you're not sure which one to choose. Now let's create the logo. Select custom size and set it to 2000 by 2000 pixels. I'll choose a red background color. I've selected Neuroscope as my channel name, and this is the type of logo I created. You can experiment with your own creativity and design something that fits your style. Now let's make banner. Select this dimensions, 2560 by 1440 pixels. Make a banner. Just get inspiration from your competitor. Now I made this. It looks simple and perfect. Now let's start making the video. The first thing you need is a catchy video idea that actually works on YouTube. You can take inspiration from your competitors, but you should always create your own version so your content stays unique. You can even use ChatGPT for this. I generated 5 different video ideas and selected the one I liked the most. So as you can see, finding a good video idea isn't rocket science. It just needs the right approach. Now, second step is creating a script. Let me be honest with you guys. The script is the heart of your video. Right now, YouTube doesn't support fully AI-generated scripts, but you can use ChatGPT for help. Simply ask it to generate a video script, then rewrite it in your own words. Yes, you heard that right. You have to put in the work. There's no easy shortcut to real success on YouTube. A lot of people promise quick hacks and instant views, but that's not how it actually works. Put 90% of your effort into writing a strong script. That's what keeps people watching. Now, let's move on to the third ingredient of our video, which is AI audio generation. There are 2 tools I personally prefer for this. One has limitations, and the other one is completely free. The first option is OpenAI TDS, but it comes with a limit of 2,000 characters. After that, you have to pay, and yeah, we're a little broke right now. So we'll use the free option, which is Speechma. This tool is completely free to use. Simply copy your script, paste it here, complete the CAPTCHA, and wait a few seconds. Your audio will be ready. Download it, and you're good to go.
You feel it, don't you? That quiet pressure in your chest.
Now for the visuals, you can get videos from Vecteezy, Pixabay, and Pexels. These are some free and best options you can use. You can get videos according to the scenes. For video editing, I'm going to use CapCut, which is the best free option out there. Just import your material all together. Drag your audio to a timeline. You can apply different effects from the effects section to enhance your visuals. Don't overdo it. Use effects that match the mood of your dialogue. I'll place the video clips according to the voiceover so everything syncs naturally with the script. After that, let's add captions. This is where you can be creative. Captions improve retention, so take your time with them. You can also customize the font. There are plenty of free options available. Choose one that matches your channel style and color theme. Now, let me show you the final result after editing.
You feel it, don't you? That quiet pressure in your chest. The sense that something about your life feels off. Not wrong, just unfinished. What if I told you, you were never meant to stay here, and no one ever warned you?
Now we're at the final and most important part, the thumbnail. You need to learn how to create a clickable, high CTR thumbnail. Because no matter how much effort you put into your video, if nobody clicks on it, none of that work matters. So pay close attention to this part. I'm going to use Canva and select the proper YouTube thumbnail size. Make sure you stick to the color theme of your channel to maintain consistent branding. I'll start by adding a key visual element. Then we'll add bold, clear text. Keep it minimal but impactful. The background looks a bit plain right now, so I'll add another element and reduce the opacity to give it some depth. Now it looks much better. This is where creativity really matters. Experiment with layout, contrast, and spacing, but always keep it clean and easy to read. Everything is done. I hope you learned something today. Make sure to stay consistent. Goodbye.